Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. For sale today, I have a 2004 Honda VFR. This bike is in excellent condition, has just over 9,000 miles on it. This bike doesn't appear to have ever been dropped or been in any accidents. Bike is all stock with the exception of the fender eliminator. Front and rear tire are both in great shape. This bike was very well taken care of. You can see the chain and sprocket are nice and clean. This bike has received its full mechanical inspection. Runs great. These are great touring bikes. A lot of fun to ride. I'll get it started here for you. As you can see, it starts up and runs great. Most of our bikes do come with a 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever should come first. If you have any other questions about this bike or any of our others, please feel free to drop by our location or give us a call at 952-941-0774.